Beyond the Lombok horizon, where wild ocean waves meet pristine skies, a new story begins. ExoticLombok.id crosses the vast ocean to embrace the captivating, untouched beauty of Sumba. Prepare your soul to enter an extraordinary world that blends authentic luxury, ancient landscapes, and unforgettable journeys. Sumba. We have arrived. Every corner of Sumba has a story, and you have just written its most beautiful chapter. Cherish these memories, and let the island's magic call you back. Only with ExoticSumba.id.